have been strengthened, mere distant sun. You fill my sails with winds to move me on, and on the swell of the great Atlantic Sea I find forgotten roots to steady me. And now I can be free within these winds of change. It wildly comes to me, unfolding endlessly. I have been opened, me the restless one. You give me paths of rock to walk upon, and in the shelter of the drainage sand you give me gentle shore on which to land. And now I can be free within these winds of change. It wildly comes to me, unfolding endlessly. When island signs meet with others from the shore, we sail through channels deep like those who've gone before. And in the clear of the Hebridean night, we turn her head round, sailing out of sight. And now I can be free within these winds of change. It wildly comes to me, unfolding